How to use coupon codes on Temu. So if you want to use coupon codes on Temu, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, open up your Google or your browser and then search for Temu. Go with www.temu.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged into your account, now you just need to simply select any product and then go with add to cart. Once you've added that to your cart, then you just need to simply go with your cart, which will be on the top right. And from here, after selecting, you can just scroll down and here you may have coupon code option, but if you don't find it right here, then you can go with the checkout page. You'll have checkout, which is on the bottom right, and from the checkout you need to add your address, and after adding your address you need to scroll down, add your payment method. After adding your payment method, you can scroll down again, and here you will have an option of a coupon code. So you just need to simply go and click on the coupon code, and after that it will ask you for the code. So enter the code, and after applying your coupon code you will get some discounts on your order. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.